This is an announcement. Due to budget cuts, this episode will be using
Trash.
instead of being animated.
Hey Pencil, how's it going?
Oh, nothing. Just looking at clouds.
Watching clouds, huh? You seem pretty bored. Let's go do something fun, like jumping off a cliff. Pencil, I didn't mean it literally.
Wee! Oh, you didn't mean it literally?
No.
So we're not cliff jumping?
No.
Let's watch clouds with pen.
Yeah!
Why, in fact, I am. Doing what?
Oh, you know.
Oh, cool. I want one. Awesome.
I want one too. Yay, I have one too. Ha ha ha! These losers look like they're having so much fun with their dolls. Yeah.
Oh, phew. Ew.
Yeah. I've been rescued.
Spongy, what happened to you?
Whoa.
It's great to be in Scratch. Yay!
You were fooled, weren't you? Ha ha.
Ha ha! Even I was fooled.
Last episode, Rocky's barfing habits, Bubbles' love for ice cream, and Pen's cheating caused them to fall into the danger zone. Now it's time to see which of the three of you will be eliminated.
There now. Go. We shall see it.
So, this time, we have a blueberry pie.
Yoim!
But be gentle, because it's explosive.
Explosive?
So if you get some pie, you are safe. If you don't, you will be eliminated. Anyway, we got 259 votes.
That's not very many.
No, it's not. Regardless, we have another large crowd watching this event today. I like to keep things private. Moving on. Since Pencil, Spongy, Fiery, Blocky, Tennis Ball, Leafy, and Ice Cube were not in the danger zone, they are safe. There are only 2 slices left. Bubble, you only got 23 votes, so you're safe.
Yeah.
Now it's down to Pen and Rocky. Let's show the votes. That means Rocky is safe. And Pen will be eliminated. So, let's get down to business. We will go in alphabetical order, so Blocky is first.
Okay, hup!
You only get 1 shot, so Bubble is next.
Whoa!
Ha
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this. Whatever.
Pencil is last. Go.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yay. So do I get points for the pins I knocked down?
Nope, this time you get to take away points. For every pin you knock down, you can subtract 30 points from any other contestant's score. So let's begin. Leafy, you knocked down 3 pins. You can subtract 90 points. What is your decision?
I think it's pretty obvious what I want. Equality. 10 points off everyone.
Pencil. With 5 pins, you can subtract 150 points. What do you want?
Same as Leafy, but I gotta stick with my alliance. So that means 25 points off everyone else.
Blocky, your 7 pins mean you can subtract 210 points.
Okay, let's see. Let's drain away all of Bubble's points.
Oh no!
You have 112 points left to subtract.
Great! I'll take away 56 points from Leafy and Pencil each for even thinking about lowering my score.
Yeah.
Finally, Fiery. You can subtract 300 points.
Ooh, that's a lot. Well, Ice Cube's like my opposite, so she should lose 100 points or so. Spongy's too far ahead of everyone else now. Let's take 100 points off him as well. Blocky was really mean to Bubble. He should lose 40 points.
You have 60 points left to subtract.
That's perfect. I'll take 30 points off Leafy and Pencil for subtracting my score.
And that's it. These are your current scores.
Okay, you've caused enough craziness. Can you finally tell me who's up for elimination?
Actually, all of you are up for elimination.
What?
Except for Fiery, because he knocked down all 10 pins. He has immunity.
Yay!
Grr?
Oh, green with envy, aren't you?
That's the unique twist to this episode. So voters, everyone, yes, you. Choose who you think should leave the battle for Dream Island. Cast your vote by typing it in the comments section below. Voting ends April 10th. Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode.
Isn't that a wonderful noise? Well, now you can listen to that noise 24/7 thanks to our revolutionary headphones. Listen to it while you walk. Listen to it while you sleep. These headphones can only play that noise, but why would you ever want to listen to anything else? They also have a volume up button, but no volume down button. And best of all, our super glue makes them unremovable. So yeah, bye now!
Next time on BFDI.
We will be throwing frisbees,
Ooh, yay!
and one recommended character will join the game.